Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today will be another cleaning video, and not a cleaning video that you're used to with me, but it will be a cleaning video of my shoes. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I firstly wanted to do a spring cleanup, but then I figured like it's not even spring yet and I wanted to wear these because the weather is getting better, and I came to the conclusion like, oh, I really need to clean these, and yeah, white sneaker season is coming up, so why not make a video on it? And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna clean my white Alexander McQueens. I clean them usually like weekly, but not how I'm cleaning them today, because now I will really clean them. So yeah, what you firstly need is I took two bowls with water. This bowl also contains dishwash soap, and this one also, but a little bit, really a little bit. So I also got a towel just to put my shoes on, a white Wonder Sponge. It really is called a Wonder Sponge. I got it from a drugstore nearby, so yeah. And I just got a cloth. And I also got 3 colonial tubes to use for your shoes. And I got this idea of another YouTube video, and I've been using them ever since. So shout out to that YouTube video. So yeah, I'm just going to take you with me. So what I first do is I take my shoelaces out. And I put them in the water with the dishwash soap. And this one also goes into the bowl with some dishwasher soap and some warm water, but not too warm though. And I'm just mixing this around a little bit. So I will put this away before I spill any water. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I have my Alexander McQueens right here. And what I usually do every week when I just want to give them a quick touch up, I just take a white sponge and I dip them in some water. And this also contains a little bit dishwasher soap, just a little bit though. It looks like it's a lot, but it's a little bit. And I'm just going to clean it with the sponge. And I'm cleaning it everywhere. So I'm just taking this one apart. So if I'm taking this one, I will clean it now with the towel. And this is a clean towel, just out of the washing machine. So this already looks way better when you compare it to this one. But it's not good enough in my opinion. Oh my god, I have hair everywhere. So what I'm gonna do now is I take the Colonial Combi White. And we also use this at the warehouse I work at. And I'm going to use it on the sole of the Alexander McQueen, so on this part. And I'm just pressing it and using it on the whole sole. So, I also wanted to show you when you use the color with combi white on your shoe, you will really see that it really gives off some white, because when I use it here you can see it. You see? It really makes it white, the edges. So if I use it on the... You see? So really be careful with this, because it really gives off on a white surface. So that's just what I wanted to share. Okay, what I'm doing after that is I will take the color nail water stop, and this takes care of the litter, so you will pinch in it a little bit. And then this white fluid comes out, and you're just putting it on the spots where it it needs a little bit of this. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm also noticing that I have a few little spots on my shoe that are damaged. So for that I'm just using the color with cream, and this is all in the color white, by the way. And I'm just taking a little bit of this, and I will use my clothes for this. Putting a little bit on the clothes. Just a little bit there. Like this. And then I will put this on the damaged parts. Like this, and this is how I really just cleaned my Alexander McQueens, and I will show you the difference, because I cleaned this one and I did not clean this one, and yeah, I really think it's a big difference. But yeah, again, I clean them weekly, quickly with a white sponge. But yeah, I cleaned this one. Of course, these stains won't go away, because this is because of the laces. But yeah, you won't see them when the shoelace is in. So this one is clean, and I did not clean this one. And this has stains everywhere. So after I've done this all, I just take a dry new white sponge, and I will just go over the whole shoe for the last touch-ups. And I'm also just letting the shoelaces rest in the water for a little bit. So that all the black stains will come out. So I will keep these shoelaces in for a little bit, and then I will wash them just with some water, and then I will dry them overnight. And also my shoe has to rest for a little bit because I used the colorit that is this one. This is a cream for leather, so this also has to soak in for a little bit. But yeah, again, make sure that you always polish your shoe afterwards with a dry white sponge. So that's just really how I clean my shoes. So I'm also gonna do this one, and then I will film tomorrow morning how I put the laces back in. Okay, the shoelaces soaked for about 30 minutes. So now I will take them out of the basket and really just taking all the dirt off. So I will clean them now with warm water. So I will now let the shoelaces dry overnight, and then I will put them back in my shoes tomorrow morning. Hi guys, and welcome back. It's the day after, and today I'm just going to put my shoelaces back into my Alexander McQueens. So yeah, I will do that now. I also want to show you, they have not gotten very white. You can still see some stains because of the holes in the shoes, but they are much whiter than before I cleaned them, so that's just a great thing. So I will take this shoelace and I will take it through here and under this little thing right here. You have to make sure it's straight. And then I'm taking the other side. I leave this one like this, and I'm just going to do this. Taking it over it, so you have a straight line. And then going under. Also making sure that this is a straight line. And then going over again, and then you will just repeat this. Make sure it's a little bit tight. And I'm just going to repeat this. Excuse me for my voice, by the way, I'm really sick at the moment. Now I'm taking it also under this little thing, taking it through it. And there you have it. And I will also repeat this process on the other shoe. So I now did the same to the other shoe, and both of my Alexander McQueens are all clean and they're ready to wear now. So it's getting better, the weather is getting better, so I can wear white shoes again. And I'm really delighted that I can finally wear these ones again. So now they will be totally ready for me to wear. So this was just a video for you to show you just how I clean my Alexander McQueens, and I did not invent this method myself. This method already existed, but I just wanted to show you how I do it. And yeah, when you want to give your Alexander McQueens a quick touch up, I would really recommend just to buy a white sponge and just go over them a few times, and maybe with some water, and then clean them. And if you want to give them a big touch up, then I would really recommend the brand Colonel. And this is not sponsored in any way, I just like that brand and I paid for it all myself. So that's just a little side note. So I now want to end this video with you, and yeah, this was the end of this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And for those of you who are not subscribing to my channel yet, please make sure to do so. I would also really appreciate that. And when you subscribe to my channel, also make sure to hit the notifications box so that you get an update on when I post a new video. And normally I would post a new video every Wednesday evening, but the last 2 weeks it was kind of an experiment for me, so that's why I posted on Fridays. But from next week on it will be Wednesday, just so you know, because Fridays really don't work out for me. But yeah, again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!